Hello everybody, my name is Abdulelah Almutairi. Today I'm going to talk about 3D printers. So the Horizon Report 2013 has discussed a lot about the upcoming key trend. Concept like open data and content is widely becoming popular along with the hugely growing market for open course available online. One such latest technology discussed in the area of 3D printing started in 2009. MakerBot Industries have brought a drastic change by developing easy and accessible 3D printing. 3D printers are now available at affordable prices in the range of $1,500 to $3,000. MakerBot replicators have successfully developed the easy way to build important products with minimum technological expertise. 3D printing is already being used in lab and research center hugely. It's evident with the next 3 to 4 years. 3D printing will be massively used in fields like arts, manufacturing, design, 3 scientific model. And this is an example for 3D printer. The impact of 3D printers on learning. At the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, the term 3D printing was coined for the first time ever. One of the most important aspects related to 3D printing and education is that it helps in the aesthetic exploration of the objects that is not always readily available for the universities. The practical applications of 3D printing will find tremendous importance, although it has some years to go before it achieves that. It will find it will find its applications in anthropology and geology. The role in e-learning including challenge to its deployment and use. In the biology class, if there is a need of the cross-section of the heart for all the students, the objective can be achieved by help of 3D printer that has the ability of replicating as many items as desired with a great degree of detail. Similarly, automobile pieces can be also created that can be utilized for study purpose by the storms. A detailed tool, a map of an area can be obtained with the help of 3D printing that would help the geography student in learning trees. Multimedia aspects. In general, the animated characters have a tendency of having low resolution and roughly defined skin for being able to render in the real time. This is rectified here. The details and the texture are added typically with the help of a kind of virtual optical illusion. In general, with an animation, the viewing has to be always done on a screen that is two-dimensional. The industry standards or the web standards or protocols. Presently, perhaps only a static skin can be printed with just a single character in a single stance. However, the movement cannot be really seen. However, if one of these articulated figures is printed in different stance can be experimented with an additional to different movements in any way desired by the artist. In conclusion, all in all, this paper has explored the significance of 3D printer, its evolution and use in the field of online learning. The paper has helped to explore how to modern digital technologies have advanced the way of learning via these tools and thus aid both teachers and learners to accomplish the learning objective.